Apparently it's 39 degrees today. It's a perfect day for this. We lost the GoPro. 1 minute in. Oh yeah? Well, I guess so. might as well try to get something out of it. I'm $100 out. Let's try to get back up there.
Big ass net, dude.
Oh, nice, a rubber one too. That's at least $10.
That's a good pickup.
Hold it in, the river in your mouth is pouring out. Water takes the shape of all that it surrounds. Yeah, I know I've been trying so hard, keeping time with all of the hours in your day. Hold it in there, wouldn't let you out among the crowd. Not like that, these streets will tear you down. How it is under my skin. Now you are pictures of all you'll ever be.
Oh, there we go, folks. Made it.
Dude just catches a fish, catches another fish.
I don't want pike.
Oh, it's gotta be at least 23 pounds. Camera ad size, right?
2 to 3 pounds. A little pound. Pushing a pound. It's a good sign. Healthy looking. Oh, decent size.
Oh yeah.
He's a fighter.
Don't splash me.
Small rod, eh? It's fucking.
See, I just side hooked him.
Sideways, that's why.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that sucks. Oh, they're like red, eh, here?
That's a nice looking bass, actually.
Yeah, they're dark, eh? Crazy. He doesn't have worms. Expecting gills there.
So I think what we'll do is start a little counter right here. So that's 3-0.
Side hooks, eh?
Hold it in there. Come at you from both sides of your mind, thick and thin. These walls you'll always stand behind. I'm sick and tired. Oh, I begged for the world to change, but it don't. No, it ain't all you, and that's the thing. Oh, I am not myself today. I am not feeling okay. And you showed me hope amidst the harlequins in spring. And you told me life was learning how to be your friend.
That's what we call home. It's what you do when it's 30 degrees out.
Cribs with Jean-Guy.
Welcome to my crib.
Got a nice runner. Nice runner.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go. Catch and release.
Oh, dude, that's huge. We're keeping that. Pull that baby up.
A little dirty because hook, finger.
Yeah, he's got something in his belly, man, for sure.
Day 2, 4 casts, 4 fish. That's a decent one there, eh? Yeah. Nice. Give it a goose. Okay, watch this. One-handed. We're doing it. Watch this, boys and girls.
Okay, I'm gonna set up a chain here. One here.
Yep, look at that. Got a fish.
This place sucks. Fucking go home.
This is boring. Look at that. Trying to film it. They're fun though. Oh, he jumped off. He's little. That's good. Saves me some work. Another side. Holy crap. You see that one log right there to the right? You see how it's fucking sticking out? Like that will impale me right there.
Crayfish. What? Look at that. Still alive or what? Unfucking really.
No wonder why they're freaking taking our bait. The fact that they don't even break, like, do they even break down in their body?
Like, yeah, all that bone and shit.
Nice. Drop me like one of your French girls.
As you calm the raging sea, I hear you calling out to me. Would you guide these hands and feet to be where you are, to be where you are? Even in the storm, you guide me home to walk on the water with you. Even in the storm, you guide me home to walk on the water with you. As you calm the raging sea, I hear you calling out to me. Would you guide these hands and feet to be where you are, to be where you are? Even in the storm, guide me home to walk on the water with you. Even in the storm, guide me home to walk on the water with you. Even in the storm,